buzz from the lights, cold in the lab, crime scene sealed, notebook in hand, measure the room, photograph stains, every small detail was part of the chain. Low card was right, nothing just fades, every contact leaves a trace. When it breaks you gotta face it, late prints sit in the oils and the shape of powderless ridges that the eye couldn't trace, loops and whirls and arches and bends patterns in the skin that identify men. DNA strings cut and compare, restriction enzymes split code into pairs, PCR run bands on the gel, electrophoresis mixed patterns reveal, STR markers line up in the frame, tiny variations inside of the chain. Everybody's different under the skin, chromosomes will carry that traits that are written in. Nitrogen bases all pairs and connect, and biology speaking through physical evidence. Clock will keep ticking, the body stays still, PMI to estimate the time through the chill. Algomortism begins as the temperature falls in the limbs and the rigor starts to set in when the muscles lock hard. Liver more to settle in the torque in the veins, self-destruct when the circulation drains. Anaerobic respiration, now we fade into non-anaerobic rise. Lack of oxygen is gone, pH dropping, lactic increase, toxin build up when the decomposition speaks. Putrefaction spread through tissue and bone. Entomology track how long that they've been gone. Species and genus and order and class. Insects arrive in predictable paths. Medical examiner call it homicide, but we know we feel the presence of something else inside, like the shadow of another moving closer in the dark. Never seen, but not leaving or even going for it. Well, I'm gonna keep running for it, and now I'm going for it, cause I never stop for long, because something feels already known. What makes a person dangerous? The act or the fear? Who decides what's insane when the pressure gets near? Physical cord comes at searching for the truth, but the truth gets shaped before it even gets to you. Steroids buzz, eyes locked on the horde. Case files stacking up like a physical board. Names going cold while the evidence spread, trying to make sense of what all the violence it says. Water picks who the system gets to trust, like bias disappear when they call it just. Persuasion move quiet, don't need to be loud. People get shaped without noticing how. Put your foot in the door and make a simple request. A maybe now and okay, and somebody's off your chest. Central root thought when attention stays sharp. Peripheral cues can slip just past the guard. Tunnel vision, tighten eyes, lock on the trail, and everything else dark, glitching and failing. Profilers blot out the pattern and path, pacing. The motives don't mention the acts. Organized, surgical placement, disorganized, panic leaves fractures and fragments. Signatures stick while the methods mutate, and the violence evolves, but the impulse is the same. Mission-driven minds with obsessive intent. Power-based killers need fear to connect. Some choose control and some kill for peace. Some hide compulsion inside of their routine. Geographic grids get into the map. Distance decay in the routes that they track. Mental maps guide every moment and zone. Marauders stay close while the commuters roam roads. Now every reflection react with delay, like something beside me keeps shifting its shape. Monitor static and crackle and thin. Always go silent the moment I step in. How do we know what we know? Who framed the lens? Was it truth or a lesson that got pressed into consent? Who can call it evil? Who can call it defense? If fear shapes the law, then who is innocent? Rain on the glass where the street lights streak. Brake lights blur at the edge of the street. Paradise lost on the seat by my knee. Sit and sound calm when he's speaking to me. Not through violence or fire or smoke, just through the ideas that slowly provoke. Adam reached out, Eve leaned in close. Truth got heavy the moment they know. The tree of knowledge tearing up the open sky. Plato said people get trapped in the dark, taking the shadow for what all of these things are. Shapes on the wall, wow, the silhouettes shake. Chains stay locked because the comfort feels safe. One leaves the cave and steps into the light. Truth feels brutal when all the comfort dies. Run below, trying to break what they trust. Now they look at you like you're dangerous or nuts. People want order and people want peace, even if peace means they never think it did. Language shapes thought, every second it spread. Words rearrange what the person will accept. Logic sounds solid until panic gets involved, then the fear starts bending the edges of the law. Like to sit still with his hands interlaced. Clarice moves closer while the pressure is increased. Buff Buffalo Bill trying to stitch up a self-building identity straight out of hell. What makes a monster? Desire or pain? What if horror got taught? Even worse if it got a trend. What if the thing that you fear in the night only reflects what you hide deep inside? Good and evil don't split down the scene. Closer examine but the blur in between. God stays silent when violence repeat, meaning collapse when belief takes a seat. Always stretch every step that I take, walls bend inward with every mistake. Something behind me matching my pace, no face visible, but still feel it breathe. Run from the building, rain soak through the coat, hands on the wheel while the road markers float. City lights smear through the cracks in the grass. Every reflection distort when I pass. Now every symbol feels loaded with weight. Street signs loop and the clocks shift shape. Books on the floor with the pages bent back. Theory and violence all start to overlap. I read patterns in structures and strains. Meanings expand till they swallow my brain. Every small detail connects to the next, and every new thought feels heavier pressed. Cause evil ain't dark, though it feels in the dark. Sometimes it grows in the collapse in thought. Sometimes the thing that keeps stalking your steps is the fractured version that you'll never accept. And maybe fear wasn't ever a ghost, because it knows how much will we know. Maybe the horror was never the walls, it's realizing the walls were never your own. Alright, third time's the charm. Ready? Final synthesis, take 3. Every page got notes in the margins and bends. Every map got lines that refused to connect. I've been building whole worlds from partial events, trying to pull certainty out of the wreck. Glass on the table and the dust in the vents. Names in the folders that get lost in my head. Every new pattern that I think I detect. Open 10 more files that I still haven't read. People want answers that lock into place. Clean little stories with villains and saints. But nothing stays clean when you look at it close. Cause truth starts shifting the moment you trace it. Cause facts never speak till somebody arranges them. Meaning gets shaped by the fame that contains it. One person calls objective and grounded. Another sees bias wrapped up in language. Fear makes a crowd turn panic into reason. Pain makes a person start praying for sequence. Memory blur, then rebuild what it needed. Mind fills the gaps till illusion feels seamless. Power moves smoother than less when it show. Words invisible after they grow. People get trained, but they trust and reject long before they even notice the moment. Some people searching for God in the dark, some for control and some for escape. But some people build their identity slow. Some stitch together what remains. And every idea got blood in its roots. Every belief got a history too. Violence don't always arrive with the weapons. Sometimes it enters disguised as the truth. Now every thought in my head overlaps. Nothing stays still long enough to unpack. Science and language and law and perception fold into one giant unfinished map. And I keep on chasing the shape of the whole, trying to measure what can't be controlled. Every conclusion dissolves when I hold it. Every fixed answer starts breaking apart. Maybe the problem ain't one finding what's hidden. Maybe it's thinking the whole world can get finished. Maybe reality shifts every second based on the eyes and the mind that observe it. Cause people want meaning attached to the chaos, something to soften the weight of the unknown. So we keep building systems and stories, just so existence feels less like a free fall. The deeper I look, the less I can separate what came from the world and what came from me. Every reflection starts bending uneven, like my thoughts can't even stay longer stay level. And somewhere beneath all the noise and the analysis under the theories and the structures and narratives, one quiet thought keeps returning again and again. Maybe search changes more than the answer ever can.
good, man? You were out there for a little bit. Look, school year's over, man. What's done is done. You just gotta look forward, move on. Yeah. You're right. Big splash. Oh God.
Hop in the camera with me. Hey, this is a blooper reel. Yeah. High five. Ooh. Okay, ready?
Say hi.
First when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know. I got
What?
this little phone, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, it doesn't work. And so I thought it would be kind of cool for like a shot of me like dropping it or something, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh, like you just did right there?
Yeah.
I'm shopping it.
Ooh, I'm groceries. Ooh, I'm groceries. Groceries. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That was pretty tough. You got it. I'm a boat.
What are you, Max?
Boat. Alright, today is May 30th, it's 5:20 p.m. and I'm going to pick up Colin because we're going to go film some of this rap video. There he is. Alright, we're going to film.
No cards in, I'm gonna make a plan. I'm so tough. Blooper. The glasses in my hands. Gonna move the cans over to the floor next to the ladder. And I'm gonna.
That didn't rhyme, Max.
Oh, chill. Well, I'm only human.
That's tough.
Oh, sweet child of mine.
Just going in the blooper.
Blooper reel. Oh, sweet child of mine. We're going whenever you're ready. Go! Max, watch out! Stop! Max, watch out! Stop, Max, watch out! Brake light! Max, go! It's a green light, Max, go! Max! Laguna Beach!
Yo, we in the hood now. We in the hood now.
Guy named Max running for something, we in the hood.
Yo, I'm driving. I ain't running. Bitch. Okay, I know beach ball.
Look at that.
Look, yeah, that's perfect. You like good ones? Yeah. Okay. I'm running it.
That was, do it again.
I'll do it again. Yo, that's so good. Oh.
Big splash.
Oh God. Okay, that's good. Hey. I think that's pretty much a wrap for this blooper reel and for the whole video itself. Right?
Yeah.
What do you think? That's a wrap.
Get it?
Get it?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's also finished. It's like a pun.
Good one, Colin.
Thanks, Max.
Now go.
Those fingers are too small.
Yeah.
See you later.
See ya. Blooper reel.
Blooper reel. Oh, driving blooper reel.
Driving
Yo.
in the car blooper reel.
Yeah.
What were you gonna say?
Why is this gate always open?
Because it's broken. Oh, the other gate's broken too.
Both gates in your gated community are broken.
Yeah. Well, that one's been fixed for a while, and my dad broke it. By my dad broke it, I mean it broke when he tried to use it.
Oh, okay.
He didn't like bring a hammer through it or anything.
Oh yeah. I'm about to go start the second half of my night.
How long are you gonna be out for?
I don't know.
Okay.
Until my parents actually come over. Oh yeah. Nothing illegal.
Yeah.
You gotta believe me.
You say,
Happy birthday
as we
to
are recording.
you. Happy birthday to you.
This time,
Happy birthday.
for real, it's a wrap.
Hold up. Alright. Ready?
For real this time.
3,
2, 1.
That's a wrap.
Get it? We made the
It's a
same
rap
joke
video.
again. But this time we're in a car instead of on the beach.
And
making
it's
it.
on 3DS.
Yeah, and it's actually a wrap this time.
Yeah.
Except for we still have to edit it. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's longing to blow it, but he knows he's never blowing gently. Let the children use it, let the children lose it, let all the children boogie.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This better get us an A in all 3 classes.